Apple's first quarter results are impressive, trumping expectations. The company reported profits of $34.63 billion, compared to $28.76 billion last year. This strong performance was possible due to their latest iPhone and other services. Apple's board of directors has declared a dividend of 22 cents per share, which is payable on February 10, 2022 to shareholders. This dividend is a big step forward for the company, as it is a sign of progress towards their goal of becoming carbon neutral across their supply chain and products by 2030. The strong customer response to their recent launch of new products and services drove double-digit growth in revenue and earnings. This strong performance was possible due to their innovative lineup of products and services. Apple's first quarter result is a major victory for the company, and they are looking to continue this form in the upcoming quarter. This positive news is a sign that the company is on the right track, and they are looking to make even more progress in the coming years.